Imagine a world without toilet paper. It's hard to picture, isn't it? Toilet paper is something we often take for granted. We use it every day. But have you ever stopped to think about where it comes from or how it's made? Toilet paper is a basic necessity. It plays a crucial role in maintaining hygiene and sanitation. Can you imagine life without it? It wouldn't be pleasant. In this exploration, we'll journey through the fascinating process of how toilet paper is made. From the forests to your bathroom, get ready to unravel the secrets of this essential paper product. The journey begins with trees. Both softwood and hardwood trees are used. Softwood trees, like pine and fir, provide strength to the toilet paper. Hardwood trees, like gum and maple, give it that soft texture we all appreciate. Recently, bamboo has emerged as a sustainable alternative. Bamboo grows much faster than trees, making it a more environmentally friendly option. It's also incredibly strong and naturally soft, making it perfect for toilet paper. The first step in the process is harvesting the trees. This is done carefully to minimize the impact on the environment. The logs are then transported to a paper mill. Here, they begin their transformation from wood to toilet paper. The outer bark of the logs is stripped away. This bark is often used as fuel to power the mill. Next, the logs are chipped into small pieces. These wood chips are easier to process in the next stage. Imagine a giant wood chipper turning those massive logs into tiny pieces. These wood chips are the building blocks of our toilet paper. The chipped wood is then cooked in a large vat called a digester. Chemicals are added to the digester to break down the wood fibers. This process is called pulping. The pulping process separates the wood fibers, which are the essential ingredient for making paper. The resulting mixture is a slurry of wood fibers and water. This pulp is then washed and screened to remove any remaining impurities, like bits of bark or dirt. The goal is to create a clean, smooth pulp that's ready for the next stage of the journey. The pulp then embarks on a chemical journey. It's treated with various chemicals to remove a substance called lignin. Lignin is what gives wood its rigidity. Since we want our toilet paper to be soft, not stiff, the lignin needs to be removed. This lignin-free pulp is then bleached. Bleaching gives toilet paper its bright white color. Traditionally, chlorine-based bleaches were used. However, these bleaches can be harmful to the environment. Thankfully, more environmentally friendly alternatives are becoming increasingly popular. Oxygen-based bleaches, for example, are much gentler on the environment. These bleaches break down the remaining lignin and brighten the pulp without using harmful chlorine. The pulp, now clean and bright white, is ready for its transformation into paper. It's important to note that some toilet paper is made from recycled paper. This is a great way to conserve resources and reduce waste. Recycled paper goes through a similar process, but it doesn't require the harvesting of new trees. Cleaning and whitening. Preparing for the roll. The cleaned pulp is now ready to be turned into paper. It's fed into a massive machine that spreads it out into a thin sheet. This sheet is then pressed between rollers to remove excess water. As the sheet moves through the machine, it's dried and pressed even further. It's incredible to think that this thin, delicate sheet will soon become the sturdy toilet paper we rely on. The paper is then wound onto enormous rolls called jumbo rolls. These jumbo rolls are massive. They can weigh several tons each. The jumbo rolls are then transported to another part of the factory, where they are transformed into the toilet paper rolls we know and love. The process of creating toilet paper, rolls from these massive jumbo rolls, involves several precise steps. These steps ensure that each sheet is the right size, thickness, and strength. It's a testament to engineering and precision, showcasing the complexity behind this everyday product. The birth of toilet paper. From pulp to roll, the jumbo rolls are first unwound and fed into a machine that cuts them into the correct width. The paper is then perforated. Perforation is what creates those little lines that make it easy to tear off a single sheet. Imagine if toilet paper didn't have perforations. It would be a messy situation. Next, the paper is embossed. Embossing adds texture and patterns to the toilet paper. It's not just for decoration. Embossing also makes the paper softer and more absorbent. Finally, the toilet paper is wound onto cardboard tubes, ready to be packaged and shipped to stores. The entire process from tree to toilet paper roll is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a complex and fascinating journey that most of us never think twice about. But next time you reach for a roll of toilet paper, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken. Think about the trees, the pulp, the machines, and the people who made it all possible. It's a remarkable process that highlights the interconnectedness of our world. Making responsible choices. Our impact on the planet. As we've learned, the production of toilet paper has an impact on the environment. From the harvesting of trees to the chemicals used in the pulping and bleaching processes, there's a lot to consider. But the good news is that we as consumers have the power to make more sustainable choices. By choosing toilet paper made from recycled paper or bamboo, we can help reduce deforestation and minimize our environmental footprint. We can also support companies that are committed to sustainable practices, such as using eco-friendly bleaches and reducing their water and energy consumption. Every little bit helps. So, the next time you're shopping for toilet paper, take a moment to think about the impact of your choices. Let's all do our part to protect our planet, one flush at a time. Remember, even small changes in our daily lives can have a big impact on the environment. By making conscious choices, we can all contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe button.